Welcome to Jobs Edu World. Today we will be discussing on the engagement of 58th batch of Trade Apprentices by Heavy Vehicles Factory. Let us start. Under Skill India Mission of Government of India, applications are invited from Indian citizens for engagement of 58th batch for Non-ITI and ITI candidates of Trade Apprentices Training under the Apprentices Act 1961 in the Heavy Vehicles Factory, Evadi, Chennai. The online submission starts from 15th May up to 14th June 2023. Most importantly, the age limit is between 15 to 24 years. Next, the essential qualifications. For non-ITI, must have passed Madhyamik, that is class 10 or equivalent, with minimum 50% marks and minimum 40% marks in mathematics and science each. And, for ITI, must have passed relevant trade test from any institute recognized by NCVT or SCVT with minimum 50% marks. In addition, candidate must have passed Madhyamik or class 10 standard or equivalent with minimum 50% marks. Next up, vacancy details. We have fitter for non-ITI for 32 number of vacancies. Next, machinist for non-ITI for 36 number of vacancies. Next, welder for non-ITI for 24 number of vacancies. Next, electrician for ex-ITI for 10 number of vacancies. Next, machinist for ex-ITI for 38 number of vacancies. Next, welder for ex-ITI for 28 number of vacancies. Thus, the total vacancy is 168. Next, on how to apply. Candidates will have to download the application form through the www.avnal.co.in shown in this advertisement. Then, are required to send their filled application form by ordinary post along with all documents in an envelope superscribed in block letters 58th Batch Trade Apprentices to the Chief General Manager, Heavy Vehicles Factory, Evadi, Chennai, pin code 600054, Tamil Nadu. The application must reach the above address on or before 14th June 2023. Next, the mode of selection. Selection will be done on the basis of merit list. The merit list for non-ITI category will be prepared on the basis of overall percentage of marks in Madhyamik or matriculation. The merit list for ex-ITI category will be prepared trade-wise on the basis of simple average of percentage of marks both in matriculation and ITI. Lastly, for fee payment, application fee for unreserved and OBC candidates, it is Rs 100. And, for SC, ST, women, PWD and transgenders, it is 70 rupees. For further detailed information, download the notification given in the description box. Wishing all the aspirants best wishes, signing off Jobs Edu World. Thank you.